Day 66, let's move to a new spot. Everyone's feathers really coming in beautifully here. They are starting to look a little husky. That's good. So we want to see. We want to see some meat on these birds. Lots of roos, a few hens in here. It's also very good. Pretty guy. That's a nice feather pattern you got there, buddy. That's pretty. You look different. Of course, the thing they all live for. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here we go. Some guy wearing his food. Look at all these guys. Nobody wants to miss out on breakfast. Eat up, everybody. All right, so we've got about 5 days till they are fully grown. We're going to give them about 10, though, till processing day. And everybody's looking very healthy. So I'm very happy about that. Stay tuned.